beep. Hooray! Yes.
Okay, you are surprised that so this is yeah, she's celebrating her birthday. So how old are you? Tell us now.
10. That's good. Clap for her. Let's clap for her 10 times. 10 times.
Happy birthday.
We wish you long life and prosperity.
So now okay, yeah. Now much wasting of time. Yeah, time is time. Time is good time. And this. Let me go to my
Go. Who has the iron spoon here? Spoon. Somebody came with spoon? Okay, fine. Who has another one?
We'll cover it like this. Wait, look at the camera. Yeah.
One, wait, let's count 3. On the 3 of you, then you call it. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, let's sing again.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hip hip hip.
Hooray!
Let's all the girls quickly come outside. Come and take pictures quickly. Yeah, some of us are pushing outside. You know you are short, better stay in front so that you're in Manila.
Come, there's space there.
You understand? Yeah. Where's your best friend?
Yeah.
Come. Come on, just take pictures with them like this.
Come, yeah, you get ready. Get ready, yeah.
Let's use that. Come on, please. By snapping here, you're finding my face. Come, yeah. Continue yourself up in my house. Yeah, do snap. Come. Grandma, Gogo, what are you doing? Yeah, the boys. Yeah. No, you are not doing this now. Let's go outside and snap. Yeah, go outside. Go outside. Come, yes, yeah. Allow them. Yeah. Come, some of you should go to that side. Come. Say the back side. You push anybody. Come now, you are getting too much here. I mean, come outside the front. Come to the front. I can't go to the back. Come out, go to the back. I mean, outside, go to the back. Come. Shift back. You are taller. Hands. Yeah, let them start. Where's my camera? Yeah, smile now. Say cheese. Say cheese. Say cheese.
Yeah, look here now. Oh yeah, all of us, let's come together. Let's have one house now. Yeah. Come. Some of you should be together. Go and do them there. Then now. Come on. Look at the picture. Picture you pass. Let me know you. Is it video or you are
Video.
Video. Please chat